Tail wagging the dog is an idiomatic expression which means an unimportant part is controlling the larger and more important part. Ironically, tail is not just an insignificant part for animals. It is a functional part of their body. Some animals use their tails for holding onto tree branches, while some use their tail to shoo away insects. For German Shepherds, they use it not only for balancing but also for expressing their feelings. Before I move on with the video, I want to ask you a simple question. Do you want to train your dog for any basic commands like sit and stay? Do you want to stop any of the behavioral problems of your dog like pooping inside the house, biting, jumping, or barking? If your answer is yes, please grab the free Dog Training Secrets Guide in which I have disclosed the deepest dog training secrets that professional dog trainers don't want you to know about. These training secrets would help you have a well-behaved, super intelligent, smart and obedient dog without spending hours in training him or her. This secret training technique ebook is available for free only for a limited time. So go and grab it before it's too late. Link to the free ebook and training videos is in the description below. Introduction. A standard German Shepherd tail length should be long enough that the tail end should reach the hock joint. It should be hanging with a slight curve like a cavalry sword when GSD is at rest. The curve should be emphasized, and tail should be raised when the dog is moving. But no matter what a standard GSD tail should look like, it is important to know that owners can use it as a tool to understand their GSD's current emotional state. Understanding German Shepherd tail behaviors and meanings. To better understand GSDs, owners should begin observing tail positions and movements. Up and down tail positions show how much energy they have. While a GSD's tail has right and left muscle, it is instinctive for them to wag their tails more on the right side for positive feelings and the left for negative emotions. Why do German Shepherds chase their tail? It is amusing to see puppies or adult dogs chasing their tails. They try to catch their tails and even growl when they chance upon catching it. GSDs are one of the many dog breeds who are prone to obsessive tail chasing. There are many factors contributing to this behavior. By simply analyzing the causes, owners can train their GSD to stop this behavior. Training them as a puppy is a good start. In adult GSDs, distraction can help. Why does a German Shepherd's tail curl? Another inherited genetic fault that GSDs suffer from is the curled tail. A German Shepherd curled tail meaning it has a gay tail. Characterized by a tail that is carried higher than the horizontal level of the back, curling upwards, gay tail is a genetic fault. Since it is a genetic fault, chances of fixing it is next to nothing. Sadly, some owners and breeders will do anything for fame and money, so they will opt for surgery. Problem is, surgery won't keep the supposed show-quality puppies from inheriting gay tail, too. Fortunately, not all German Shepherd puppy tail curls. For some it is just a mannerism that can be eliminated by training. Clicker training method can be used to train GSD show dogs to hold their tails in a particular position when standing. This method will need time and patience from the owner. German Shepherd tail diseases and possible treatments. GSD tails are not just a measurement of their current feelings. It can also be hounded by a number of health-related issues, since they are genetically predisposed. Anal furunculosis. A chronic inflammatory disease of the skin under the tail and around the anus. It is usually caused by the inefficient response of the immune system and genetics. But how GSDs carry their tail and the thick coat around the anus may be partly responsible. To avoid such disease being passed down, breeding should only be between unaffected GSDs. Skin infection. It is very difficult to treat skin infections on a GSD's tail. Tails normally don't have that much extra skin, so this area is more prone to infection. German Shepherd hair loss tail, itching and chewing are caused by allergies which may eventually become infected if left untreated. Cuts and scrapes or even dog bites on the tail are all possible reasons for infection, too. Topical antibiotics look enticing for GSDs that they will keep on licking their wounds. Oral antibiotics administered in proper dosage will be the best option. Limber tail syndrome. Limber tail syndrome is also known as acute caudal myopathy, cold tail and broken tail. It is usually caused by overwork, injuries or spending too much time playing in cold water. Tail muscles become swollen and painful within 24 hours following exposure to freezing cold water. Long-term confinement in cramped spaces may also trigger this syndrome. Prognosis for limber tail syndrome is good as it will go away on its own. Applying warm compress will lessen the swelling and the pain, but some vets may prescribe pain relievers. Do you want to have a well-behaved, obedient and calm pet dog without spending hours in training him? Check out the first link in the description and download the Secret Training Technique guide absolutely free. It is available for free only for a limited period of time. Thanks for watching the video. Comment below if you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel, Little Paws Training, if you are serious about training and grooming your dog. Also, join our Facebook group where you get all the solutions to your daily doggy problems.